Okay, here we are. This is HARAKEVET number 44. That's the edge of Baka and the German colony. It's actually in the Baka part, but it's like 30 meters from the promenade, the light, the old train rails, and from there it becomes already German colony. This building is rear to the street, and we'll just walk in. That's how you walk in and how you drive in with your car. This apartment has two covered parking, which is a gold mine in this area, especially on the Bethlehem. And it's also nice that you come with your car, you drive down, you put your car inside, and you take the lift. There's an entry to the lift. If you don't come from the parking, then you have about 7 stairs up to go into the lobby. This was built in 1922. You can see how nice it is. It's recessed from the street, and it's quite nice. So from now, we'll go up. We'll take the elevator and go up to the second floor. Okay, here we are in the apartment. That's the first sight you're getting when you're walking in. That's the door. You're coming 2 flights up with an elevator, all by steps. Walking into a beautiful and interesting space, which is divided into split levels, which means you go half flight for each level, not just a full flight. So by going down here, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. We'll see them in a minute. The living room and the dining area is very unique and special. There's a lot of windows, and it's a nice open plan with very high ceilings. As you can see, the volume here is incredible. And they did something good with the acoustic, because it's a nice acoustic, you don't hear yourself. Okay, so this is a nice kitchen with around counter, nice burners. I love this fridge. Very unique. And other steps going half flight up, you have another bathroom, and this used to be 2 bedrooms, and he made it into an open office and an open family room. And on top, we have the master bedroom. So let's start with the nice terrace over here. It's fully sukkah. We have 2 balconies. This is the main one. It's beautiful here. This is a west exposure, and you can see it's all open. Over there, that's the Bethlehem Road. You can see some of the nice neighbors around. And although it's almost 2 p.m., we're getting the south sun here, but usually this is sunset and this is sunrise. Okay, let's go in back. We'll go down to see 2 faces. 7 stairs. Nice bathroom. Nice feature here with these lake stones. You have a nice tub and a toilet, a big sink. Bedroom number 1 on this level. Good size, and 3 exposures. Very unusual. 3 exposures for a bedroom. Everything is very nice. Lovely green with privacy. And this is bedroom number 1. You have radiant heat. You control each room with a radiant heat. This is bedroom number 2. Okay. Very nice desk here. Each room has also an AC. Also very light. This is southern exposure. It's exactly the time for south and sun. As you can see. And we have a storage area here. So 2 bedrooms, very nice bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms on that level. And again, back to the main level where we walked in, going up another 7 steps. Everything is very open, very wide, very clear and white, a lot of windows. So you have another bathroom here. It's already a shower. Same feature with the stones there. Very cute. So that's another full bathroom. We saw 2 full bathrooms already. And here, this used to be a bedroom, then this used to be a second bedroom. Access from here, this is all plaster. You can make a door and divide these 2 rooms, which are identical to the bedrooms below. Just everything is open, so it looks like one big room, but it's exactly above the bedrooms below. It could be like 2 bedrooms exactly as the ones below if somebody wants to create a 4-5 bedrooms apartment. Okay, and from here you're going full flight. Full flight. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You're going full flight for the master bedroom. So the part we saw so far is, oh, it's beautiful here. Very lovely. Oh, amazing. It's also overlooking to the sukkah. Anyway, the summer is just started, so everything is very happy. So what we saw was about 150, 155 square meter, and on this floor we have another 50 meter, 52, 53, which is considered the attic, but they did amazing work with it. And this is the master bedroom, and it also have some nice features. Allow this bathroom when it's open. Toilet is in. Looking for the light, I'll find it. And then you have the bedroom over here, an AC unit, and some crawl space over here, besides the closet space. Again, everything is unique and special. And a nice view from here. So we're looking at about slightly more than 200 square meters. Right now it's 3 bedrooms plus a family room plus an office, and could be easily with 2 walls and 2 doors. A 5-bedroom apartment. Or you could only make this room as a 4th bedroom if you need, maybe with a sliding door, and keep this as an open office. Anyway, I love it. The location is fantastic, and it's for people that want something with neshama and not the usual boxed apartments. All right, thank you very much.